This is going to be a video tutorial on how to turn on your profile view history on the TikTok app. I'll be using an iPhone SE for this, but the steps should be very similar on other devices. Let me jump over to my phone here. Okay, I got my phone opened up now and I am on the TikTok app. To turn on your profile view history, first thing you need to do is tap on your profile icon in the lower right hand corner. Then you will tap on the 3-bar hamburger menu in the upper right hand corner. Then you want to tap on Settings and Privacy. And from here you want to tap on Privacy. Then you will scroll down to the very bottom where you see it says Profile Views. As you can see, mine is turned off. To enable it, you need to tap on it. And then you just toggle it on right here. That is how you turn on your profile view history on the TikTok app. Thanks for watching.